Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing the new iPhone 16 Pro in the beautiful desert titanium color. First off, let's talk about this color. It is a soft rose gold. It's not too flashy, just a nice warm vibe that feels really classy. Now, the frame is made of titanium, which is a big deal. It looks sleek and feels premium in your hands. It's super durable, but surprisingly a little bit more lightweight than the 13 Pro, which I'm upgrading from. If you do have the 13 Pro, you will notice that it feels a little bit longer. But here's the cool part. It's actually lighter. And I looked up the specs to prove this. So the 16 Pro weighs in at 199 grams, while the 13 Pro was 204 grams. Now, I know that's not a big difference, but when you're holding this device in your hands, with your fingers, which, you don't work out your fingers, over time it will feel a little bit lighter. Now, the rounded edges make it really comfy to hold the phone without a case. And I will admit, I don't typically use my phone without a case, so this will be gaining a case very, very soon. But it is very sleek and it feels pretty ergonomic. Now let's check out the buttons. On the left side, you have the volume up and down, and you have the sound switch. Those are really handy, and I'm glad that they haven't changed those. On the right side, you do have two buttons. So this will be different if you're coming from a 13 Pro, but I believe the 15 Pro and perhaps the 14 Pro also had these side buttons. Now the first one is the on-off switch, but the second one is pretty interesting. The second one is the home button with Touch ID for this model. So you can use this to unlock your device or make purchases using Touch ID, which is pretty next level and pretty cool. Now let's talk for a second about the three cameras on the back. They are the same arrangement as the prior 13 Pro model, but they do seem to have like a little bit of a different profile. I do believe they're a little bit more raised, which is super interesting to me. Overall, coming from the 13 Pro, this feels like a definite upgrade, but let me know in the comments below what you think. Are you considering upgrading? Have you already? Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.